Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Dogecoin. I had to cover it because I was wrong, at least on the short term. All right, because what I said, like the last time we covered Dogecoin was when it was up here, right? So when it was trying to break above that 7.9 cents area, it also did, but in the end, there just wasn't enough momentum to really get a sufficient breakout. Like Dogecoin has shown momentum over the course of the last two days, right? I mean, it tried to break above 7.9, it tried to get up there, but there just wasn't enough bullish momentum, I think, in the markets to get to our price targets at 8.5 and 8.6 cents. So yeah, unfortunately, I also hit a stop loss on that because I did think we had enough momentum here, but in the end, it probably should have already reached it here because really on the 11th, Dogecoin was showing most momentum, and then it did not hit, and then it respected this trend line, which is definitely not okay. But it respected 8 cents, and I should have known then that it was going to be hard if Bitcoin found resistance and started dropping, because that is what happened. The resistance for Bitcoin was very strong. Bitcoin started well dropping, but it started just testing support levels, which is to be expected. So when Bitcoin got that bearish momentum, Dogecoin followed. Dogecoin right now, if we take a look at the correlation, so how much it moves alike to Bitcoin, that's not that high on the last 7 days, but in the last 30 days, it's super high. All right, so I should have known that, but all right, the market structure right now, I would still say is bullish. All right. Dogecoin just dropped down to the 618 fib right here with the 100 EMA and that trend line. This is a strong support level. So it's still bullish right now. The tides could turn a little bit. It is dependent on Bitcoin. And if you take a look at the open interest right now for Dogecoin, that's definitely not good enough. But I would say it's most likely that Dogecoin will keep up these levels, perhaps consolidate for a bit, but eventually get back up to 7.9 and get up towards that level at 8.5, 8.6 cents. I think that's still most likely because I still think the markets are bullish. And even though Bitcoin has found some resistance now, and it might actually find some more resistance in the next 24 hours, especially if the inflation rates are higher than expected. That's some big news we're getting today. I do think Bitcoin can take a beating, and Dogecoin right now, the main catalyst behind Dogecoin right now is Bitcoin, and a bullish Bitcoin would be very bullish for Doge. So that's a possibility. Like I said, it's a possibility that Dogecoin consolidates here, perhaps even spikes down towards 6.9 and 7 cents. But eventually, I do still think it's most likely that Dogecoin will get its rally. I have yet to see such a strong bullish Bitcoin, and that at some point Dogecoin does not rally. I've never seen that. At some point of time, Dogecoin and Shiba rally. And Dogecoin has, of course, already rallied a little bit right here, but I would not say that's, in comparison to other altcoins, I would say that's nothing. So it's still what I expect. Like I said, the short term is going to be hard. If the inflation rate is lower than expected, it could be a bit better, and we could see some more bullish momentum on the short term. But yeah, no, in general, that's those are my thoughts. So yes, I was wrong. I do still think Dogecoin is bullish. I just was a bit too early, I think. But this is my analysis for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you're interested in my signals, for example, the Dogecoin stop loss, it's not only take profits, guys. But if you're interested in that, consider joining. Links to that will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.